Hey guys, and welcome back to Math Lessons. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can subtract decimals. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my channel to see if other videos can help you out. Subtracting decimals is very similar to adding decimals. So to subtract decimals, you of course have to line up your numbers by their decimal points, just like adding decimals, and then you bring the point down and subtract like normally. So, for example, if I have 15.32 minus 8.2, 8.2, I would line up my points just like this, and then I would subtract like normally. But first, I have to bring the point down, of course. Then I subtract like normally. So, we fill in these spots with zeros. So, 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then 5 minus 8, we can't do that. So, we take the 1, 15. So, 15 minus 8 is 7. So, the answer to 15.32 minus 8.2 is 7.12, or 7 and 12 hundredths. Alright, now let's do some examples. For example number 1, we have 3.12 minus 1.43. So we see that our numbers are lined up correctly because they're aligned by the points. So we bring the point down and we start subtracting. So 2 minus 3, we can't do that. 1 minus 4, we can't do that. So we're going to borrow 1 from the 2, from the 3, that just became a 2. And then 9, so 10, and then 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer to this equation is 1.69, or 1 and 69 hundredths. For our next example, we need to subtract 3.9 from 7.8. Since our numbers are not aligned, we're going to do that first. So 7.8. And now since we align by the points, we're going to put the 3.9 point directly over here and fill in the numbers to the left and to the right of it. Now we subtract. But before we do that, we bring the point down. And now we subtract. So 8 minus 9, we can't do that. So borrow 1 from the 7, 18, and then 18 minus 9 is 9, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer to this equation is 3.9, or 3 and 9 tenths. For our final example, we have 51.43 minus 49.2162. So since these numbers are not lined up, we're going to do that right now. For big numbers like this, it is very critical to line them up correctly, or else you can get your numbers mixed up. So since the point is right here, we're going to put the other point right underneath it. And now we're going to fill in our numbers from left to right. So 49, 2162. Alright, as always, don't forget to bring your point down. And now we're ready to subtract. But before we do that, I'm going to fill in these spots with zeros since there's nothing there. So 0 minus 2, we can't do that. 0 minus 6, we can't do that either. So we're going to borrow 1 from the 3 that became into a 2. 9, and 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So, since we can't do 1 minus 9, we're going to need to borrow 1 from the 5. So the 5 became into a 4, and then 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 minus 9 is 2. So the answer to this equation is 2.2138. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my channel for my other content. I hope this video really helped you guys out, and I'll see you in the next one.